What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at SpaceX stocks. Now, given the look of things right now, SpaceX is not doing very well. I think from my previous video, I made it known to us that SpaceX won't really rally that much, but rather we are definitely going to see a pullback or a massive pullback or dump on SpaceX for so many reasons. So we could see it right here. I think the last time I made a video on SpaceX, it was around this level right here, or within this level at 190 to probably $200 level. So we shall be talking about SpaceX and what we should be expecting if SpaceX is most likely going to be pulling back more or not. So looking at the situation of things right now, SpaceX is roughly underwater right now, and with the situation of things, we could see it clearly that ever since it dumped all the way down to $147, there could be a chance for SpaceX to rally, but it just ended up making a lower high. It couldn't break above this high right here at $166, and you could see we dropped really low. We even dropped all the way down to find support at 157. We tried to fake it out, but we ended up dumping even much lower. So the question right now is, what are the chances that SpaceX won't dump lower? Because left to me, I think there is every possibility for SpaceX to dump, probably to keep on dumping for the next 1 year. No matter how we see it bump, it is most likely going to dump much further, because we will definitely be expecting some unlocks on SpaceX at some specific interval towards this year till probably middle next year. So this unlocks right here will definitely keep on going on. I will probably do another video giving with a deeper dive into SpaceX for us to know what to expect. Right now, I don't see myself wanting to ape into SpaceX right now, or wanting to start rushing into SpaceX right now. The retailers are definitely the exit liquidity for the wealthy people that bought during the IPO and or whatnot. So hence the reason why we're going to be seeing this pullback. So I think for every reason, we could still see SpaceX dumping all the way to probably $120 or even lower, depending on how crazy SpaceX is going to dump based on the IPO unlocks and all whatnot. So, seeing it dumping to $100 is a possibility. And in terms of the news right now, we could see it right here, according to Bloomberg, SpaceX sells 25 billion worth of bonds, cuts interest rate. So we could see it's right here that SpaceX sold $25 billion worth of investment grade bonds on Tuesday, which was yesterday, marking the final step to replace the costly debt that had helped finance Elon Musk's acquisition of X, then known as Twitter. So I think it's just now that Elon Musk is finally balancing whatever he is owing X. So as well as the expensive loans and bonds issued by XAI to bridge its rapid cash drain. So according to the report by Bloomberg Manuel. So this is just definitely it. And by Napol Anand on 23rd of June, Elon Musk SpaceX said on Tuesday that it has launched a 5-tranche note offering to raise at least 25 billion as the newly public company seeks funding for its capital-intensive AI expansion. So SpaceX AI ambition carries a hefty price tag, requiring tens of billions of dollars in investment in data centers, computing, hardware, and power infrastructure. So the senior unsecured note will be issued across 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 20 to 30 years tenures. Proceeds will be used to repay borrowings under its bridge loan facility, as well as for general corporate purposes. The offering, which is SpaceX's first investment grade dollar bond issuance, has drawn nearly 85 billion in orders. A source familiar with the matter told. Bank of America, Citigroup, JP Morgan Chase, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley are managing the sale. According to a document seen by Reuters, credit rating agencies assigned the company investment grade ratings last week, signaling confidence in SpaceX financial stability as it moves forward with its costly AI plan. The rocket to AI firm shares rebound on Tuesday following a recent sell-off tied to a broader tech pullback after a blockbuster debut on June 12th. So, looking at this whole thing right here, it doesn't still change the fact that SpaceX won't be dumping. It will be dumping regarding all this news that we are seeing. This is a major downtrend, and given the situation of things right here, SpaceX was launched during the moment of the AI bubble, which obviously SpaceX also had to include AI into it, which is the XAI, into its into SpaceX as a whole, because SpaceX is not just the rocket project that Elon Musk is on, but rather, or the company is on, but rather it's a bond kind of share whereby SpaceX include X, it includes XAI. I think it even includes Starlink, then SpaceX itself. So all this right here are definitely one of the reasons why it's massively rallied. And right now we could see this is a major downtrend right here, as we can see. So this downtrend is most likely going to continue until further notice. I'll definitely be here to keep each and every one of us updated. Sorry for the late updates that I keep on giving us. I'm definitely working on that. I'm trying my possible best. I have ordered for the tab that I'll be using to specifically be updating and uploading or recording videos on for my stocks. So thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.